Muy buenos dias. I'm headed to Sayulita. I thought I'd go a little bit early. That would give us an opportunity to kind of like look around and check out how things are going in Sayulita. They've made some serious progress with the highway situation. I don't know how much that hurricane slowed anything down, but it's looking good. So it is now 9:43, so yeah, just about 20 minutes to get to Sayulita still. Traffic wasn't too bad at all, and I would say that the highway was completely clean. Nothing on the highway looked like, it didn't look like there was any destruction from the hurricane at all at this point. Cool is that I shared the video with my friends Sachiko and Jason and their experience in Sayulita, and we put the GoFundMe link, and I got a comment from one of our fans, Melissa, and she said that the GoFundMe has reached its goal, so that's pretty exciting. The road is a little dusty, a little dirty. Few puddles here and there, but overall it's looking good right here. This is always a cool area to walk through. So a question right now for a lot of people is probably if they should come to Sayulita. And I would say yes. So far I would say yes, because the town is already looking like it's fully open. As you can see, I mean, the streets are fairly clean. I mean, it's been 3 days since the hurricane hit, and this is looking really good. So I would say, yeah, come to Sayulita. Don't cancel your vacation. Buenos días. So here we are in the plaza area, and this is the famous area where everyone likes to take their Instagram photos with the papel picado hanging in the trees here. And you can see they got a little bit beat up from the hurricane. You know, that's the real deal. There's the Choco Banana place. And then just walking over here into the plaza.
Hey, ¿se mueven los cables ahí?
Buenos dias. The church is looking good. But I want to go see how the beach is looking.
Vamos a amarrar los cables una vez. A uno.
Los dos, ¿no? Aquí en Sayula, Pasto, para que en cuanto ve que se tapen, empiece.
Yo le dije, yo doy mi cheque. Fue que le ayudaba un jorobado que me montaba y me ayudaba. Uno alto y altillo, pero estaba jorobado el baile.
Well, here's Sayulita Beach. Like the restaurant and shopping area here in Sayulita is pretty much completely open. So I wanted to go check out a little bit closer to the where the river is and just see how that looks, because I suspect that there's still a little bit of mud over there and I could already see it. Yeah, here's some yucky stuff. I think this is the end of my road. Let's see, let me go a different way. You know all is well when the Coca-Cola truck is still delivering. I just kind of barely started breaking a sweat right now, and I'm standing out in this direct sun, but I've been walking around here for a while and I'm feeling pretty good. So that weather change is definitely happening now.
They definitely wear kifas.
So that's very exciting. Oh, look at these shirts. Man, Joel, this might be a good one for Joel here. Oh man, look at this Bruja one. I think this one would be good on Joel. Well, I don't know if there's any real need to do any more hurricane coverage here in Sayulita or Bucerias. I think things are pretty well back to normal, besides some mud puddles and stuff like that. So if you plan on coming to Sayulita, definitely should. If you want to help out the families and the businesses affected by Hurricane Roslyn, you can head over to prosayulita.com and make a donation there. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Nos vemos, hasta luego, and adios. Desde Sayulita.